Smart financial movies to watch before you retire. Let's talk about the biggest financial shift of your life, retirement. For so many people, it's a time that feels uncertain, and there's a real fear of making one wrong move. Now you might hear that retirement savings rates are at record highs, and that's great news. But it doesn't tell the whole story. The hard truth is that over a third of working-age Americans have no retirement savings at all. And even for those who are saving, many feel like they're way behind. The old safety nets, like the guaranteed pensions our parents had, are mostly gone. They've been replaced by 401ks and IRAs, which puts all the pressure and all the risk squarely on your shoulders. You could spend months digging through dense financial books, trying to make sense of all the jargon. Or you could get a masterclass in retirement strategy from a place you'd least expect it: Hollywood. Today, we're breaking down 5 essential films that give you a playbook for a secure and even wealthy retirement. These aren't just movies, they're packed with financial lessons you need to learn before you hang it up for good. Stick around, because what these movies can teach you might just save you from a financial nightmare and put you on the path to a future you can actually look forward to. 1. The Big Short, 2015. Lesson: question the crowd and understand risk. First up is the Oscar-winning film, The Big Short. It's the true story of a few investors who saw the 2008 housing market collapse coming when basically everyone else, from Wall Street to the government, was absolutely convinced the good times would never end. What makes the movie so brilliant is how it takes these ridiculously complex things, like collateralized debt obligations, and breaks them down so anyone can get it. So what's the lesson for your retirement? It's simple, but it's huge. You have to question the crowd. Just because an investment is popular doesn't mean it's a good idea. The film shows Wall Street pros getting swept up in groupthink, totally ignoring massive red flags because they were hooked on short-term profits. They bought into the idea that housing prices could only go up, a belief that nearly broke the world's economy. As you get closer to retirement, you're going to get hit with all sorts of hot investment trends. You'll feel that FOMO, the fear of missing out. The Big Short is your gut check. It's a reminder to be skeptical and do your own research. Don't throw your money into something just because your neighbor did. You need to understand the potential downside just as much as the upside. Your retirement savings are too important to be managed by just following the herd. The movie makes it painfully clear that when a bubble pops, it's the regular people who get hurt the most. This film teaches you to think like a contrarian, to look for the story that isn't being told, and that's one of the most powerful skills you can have to protect your wealth. 2. Margin Call, 2011. Lesson: if you can't explain it, don't invest in it. Next on the list is Margin Call, a super tense thriller that takes place over 24 hours inside a giant Wall Street bank, right as the 2008 crisis is about to explode. It all kicks off when a junior analyst finds a massive hole in the company's math, realizing their investments are so toxic they could bankrupt the entire firm. The retirement lesson here is a golden rule: if you can't explain it, don't invest in it. The top dogs in Margin Call were making millions on financial products they didn't really understand, and it brought them to the brink of disaster. This is a huge warning for anyone nearing retirement, because you're the prime target for products that are just as confusing. Things like complex annuities or structured notes that come with crazy high fees and rules designed to trap your money. Margin Call is a powerful cautionary tale about the danger of complexity. The firm's leaders had to make world-breaking decisions because they'd completely lost track of their own investments. For your retirement, the takeaway is to keep it simple and transparent. Your investment strategy should be so clear you could explain it to a friend over coffee. If a financial advisor starts throwing jargon at you and pushing a product that sounds way too complicated, ask for a simple explanation. If they can't give you one, walk away. Protecting your nest egg means staying in your lane and avoiding the kind of black box investments that took down giants in this film. 3. Boiler Room, 2000. Lesson: identify and avoid scams. Our third film, Boiler Room, pulls back the curtain on the dark side of finance, the scammy, high-pressure world of a penny stock brokerage. The movie follows a young guy who gets a job at a firm that uses aggressive and shady tactics to sell worthless stocks to people over the phone. They call them boiler rooms because of the intense, heated pressure they use to manipulate people. The lesson for your retirement is crystal clear. Learn to spot the red flags of a financial scam. Retirees and pre-retirees are the #1 target for this kind of fraud because they have a lifetime of savings. The tricks you see in Boiler Room are the classics. Promises of guaranteed high returns with zero risk, intense pressure to decide right now, and creating fake hype for some company you've never heard of. The film does an incredible job of showing how these scammers prey on our natural desire to get rich quick. There's a heartbreaking subplot about a family man who invests all his savings, money he'd set aside for a new house, based on a broker's lies, and he loses everything. It's a gut-wrenching reminder that if an investment sounds too good to be true, it absolutely is. Real investing always involves risk, and anyone who tells you otherwise is a liar. Boiler Room is required viewing because it trains you to hear the sales pitch, to question where it's coming from, and to protect your hard-earned money from predators. All right, we're about to get into our final 2 films, which cover the hidden fees that can silently drain your retirement and the mental traps that make us our own worst financial enemies. If you're getting some real value out of this, do me a quick favor and hit that like button and subscribe. It genuinely helps us make more content like this to help you build a secure future. Okay, let's get back to the movies. 4. The Retirement Gamble, PBS Frontline, 2013. Lesson: Beware of hidden fees. Number 4 isn't a Hollywood blockbuster, but it might just be the most important documentary you ever watch about your savings. PBS Frontline's The Retirement Gamble. This investigation exposes the retirement industry, focusing on the 401ks and IRAs that most of us rely on. It asks some really tough questions about whether these accounts are actually set up to help us, or to help Wall Street. The huge eye-opening lesson from The Retirement Gamble is the devastating power of fees. The documentary shows how hidden fees, fund expenses, and advisor costs can eat away at your retirement savings over the years without you even noticing. It makes the point that even a tiny-sounding fee, like 1% or 2% a year, can wipe out a massive chunk of your potential earnings over decades. One expert in the film calculates that these fees can cost the average American household hundreds of thousands of dollars. The film argues that moving from pensions to 401ks has put all the responsibility on us, and most people just aren't equipped to sort through the confusing investment choices and fee structures. The Retirement Gamble is a call to action. It's telling you to become a detective with your own money. You need to pull up your 401k statements and find out exactly what you are paying in fees. Look for low-cost index funds, the kind the legendary founder of Vanguard, John Bogle, champions in the film. This documentary will probably make you mad, but it will also give you the power to take control and make sure your savings are actually working for you. 5. Thinking Money, 2014. Lesson: Master your own psychology. Our final film tackles what is often the biggest threat to your financial success: you. The documentary, Thinking Money, the psychology behind our best and worst financial decisions, dives into behavioral economics, which is the study of why we do the dumb things we do with our money. The film explores why it's so easy to spend money we don't have and so hard to save for a future that feels far away. The ultimate lesson from Thinking Money is that to succeed in retirement, you have to master your own psychology. The film breaks down all the mental shortcuts and emotional traps that lead to bad decisions. For instance, the herd mentality we saw in The Big Short is what makes us want to buy stocks when they're at their peak and panic sell when the market drops. Another trap is present bias, where we crave instant gratification instead of long-term rewards. That's why saving for retirement can feel like such a chore. If you're nearing retirement, this film is like a user's manual for your own brain. It teaches you to spot the emotional triggers that can blow up even the best-laid financial plan. Do you get anxious and want to sell everything when you see scary headlines? Do you get overconfident after a few good trades? Thinking Money gives you practical tools to make better choices, like automating your savings so you don't have to think about it. By understanding the why behind your financial decisions, you can build guardrails against your own worst impulses and stick with your strategy for the long haul. Conclusion. So there you have it, 5 films that are so much more than entertainment. They're a financial education in disguise. From The Big Short, we learn to be skeptical and question the crowd. From Margin Call, we learn the vital importance of keeping things simple and understanding what you own. Boiler Room teaches us to spot the predators and avoid scams, while The Retirement Gamble shows us how to uncover the hidden fees that can drain our wealth. And finally, Thinking Money teaches us to master our own emotions. You see the common thread here. Financial success in retirement isn't about some secret formula or a hot stock tip. It's about being diligent, doing your homework, staying away from scams, keeping your costs low, and keeping your emotions in check. The financial world can seem intimidating, but these movies prove that the core principles of smart planning are things anyone can grasp. You have the power to take control of your financial future. The story of your retirement is still being written, and with these lessons in your playbook, you're better equipped than ever. Subscribe to the Broke Escape Plan for more videos like this.